Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of 153 and 187 using the prime factorization method. In this method we divide the two numbers using the prime numbers and find the factors of the number. So let us use the single ladder method to find the LCM of the two numbers. I'm going to write first few prime numbers on the right hand side of the board so that it is easy for us in our division. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are the first few prime numbers. So as both the numbers are odd, let's use 3 to divide the two numbers. So 3 times 5 is 15 and 3 times 1 is 3. 187 is not fully divisible by 3, so we are going to write it as is. So next again we are going to use 3 to divide 51. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 will be remainder, this becomes 21, 3 times 7 is 21. Now 187 and will be as is. Now 187 is not fully divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7. So let's take 11 to divide 187. 17 is not fully divisible by 11, so we are going to write it as is. Now 11 times 1 is 11. 7 will be remainder, this becomes 77 and 11 times 7 is 77. So now we have 17 and we know that 17 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 17. So 17 times 1 is 17 and 17 times 1 is 17. So now to find the LCM of the two numbers, we are going to take the product of all the numbers on the left hand side of the ladder. So 3 times 11 times 17 will be the LCM of the two numbers, which is 1683. So this is how, by using the prime factorization method, we can find the LCM of any number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.